In this video, we'll go over another California house tour here in Sacramento, but now this time it is a townhome in the Natomas area of Sacramento. Let's just take a look into it. But first, what's good, everyone? This is Chris Hayes, your Sacramento realtor here, and if you want to be a part of the Amazon gift giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment, and let's get straight into it. Okay, everyone, so this is the townhome we will be taking a look at here today, and most of these townhomes have been built by the Beazer Homes, as you can see out through here. Then those are actual homes right there, and the homes right there. And I don't know if you can see, let me try to zoom in. That right there is the Sleep Train Arena over there. I'll drive up closer so you can see it, but that is where the Kings used to play way back when. But now they don't play there anymore, so they have, they're thinking about getting the Sacramento Zoo to be a part of that, but we'll know more about that later on. And yeah, all right, let's go on. Yeah, so all of this is maintained, by the HOA, which is about $150 a month. What's crazy is I live like right around the block. Okay, you got your AC right here. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,056 square foot townhome here in the Natomas area. It is just listed up by our group for $352,900. To be honest, I think it'll go for in the 330s, just because of how the market is so hot. But we will see. The market will tell us. And this is the first bedroom here that we got for you. And it looks right out to the front. And actually down there, I didn't show you, but down there, hold on, I got you. Okay, so down there on that road, that's where the freeway is. That is I-5. And it's right, a hop, skip, jumping away. Get there, I need to go to downtown, which just takes a few minutes. This is our full bath for the first bedroom. So we got a dark wood. I think it's either oak or cherry. And we have our quartz countertop with the stainless steel finishes. Same thing here in the tub. And this house was built in 2017. And the flooring in here, so we got linoleum and carpet. And then around here, this is our laminate. And then, as you know, in newer homes that were being built here recently, they don't have big lots, so we're not gonna see any kind of lots. Well, any kind of backyard here today. This is your laundry room. Ooh, nice light. Take you up to 2-car garage. And a 2-car garage going out to the alley. And I'll show you upstairs. And so we got a tankless water heater. Quite a bit of newer homes have been doing that these days. All right, let's go upstairs. Yeah, so it's a 2-story. So full bedroom, full bedroom, full bath downstairs, and then full bedroom, 1.5 bath upstairs. We go to the right, we're gonna take a look at the kitchen and the living room, family room combination. And so I'm gonna come back around so you can see it in all its glory. Once again, the dark wood, quartz countertop. Stainless steel appliances, all by Whirlpool. Amazing for you to see. Got a little bit of crystals in it too. I don't know if you can see. Oh, yep, one right there. Yeah. And then, so yeah, this is pretty much for a smaller family or another, like just a couple or a couple individuals. So we got going. As we all know, I'm a big fan of stainless steel appliances. So I'm so glad that they got that there. And so this is the balcony. You can set a couple chairs right here. Maybe if a grill if you wanted. Sit at the end. Up here, we see out there. And then this is the alley where the garage leads out to. So you can see trash cans right there. Cars right there. Cars going down there. And I actually live like a street over. Let's go back in. And I'm gonna close this door. Keep the AC in, well the air in, because the AC is on. Okay. Now we're going to, in our first half a bathroom. Once again, we got our linoleum floor, all white, toilet with the stainless finishes, as you can see. And the ceilings are 9-foot ceilings. Just want to make sure you guys knew that. Now, so over to our right, back up. And over to our left, we got our water heater, furnace. Furnace right here, pretty new. And last but not least, we got our master bedroom, which is bigger than the bedroom downstairs. Oh, I am messing up today. You can see the outside, plenty of natural light. You can see the freeway from here. I tried it. You see the sign though. Yeah. And you got your walk-in closet, ceiling fan. And you got your walk-in closet. Pretty good size. If I scoot all the way back, you see, you got some room to work with. And in this full bathroom, you only have a shower for it, but that is okay. And just like from downstairs, stainless steel finishes, quartz countertop, boom, dark wood. And you know what, there you go. And now I'm gonna just drive a little bit down there so you can see the sleep train arena, and then also some of the places that's right over to the left where you can eat, buy food, all that. Let's do it. That's all we got for you. And once again, if you want to be a part of the Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment about what you thought about the home. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe.